So we will have to find out rows and columns, the position of the thread in the image, and accordingly we will access the data and process it. So now what we can say is synchronization. Thing is, there are multiple threads in a block. Although we assume all the threads have to process same set of instruction, still we believe if because of certain resource assignment, some latency may be there between the threads. So some of the threads may reach a milestone earlier, and some of the threads may reach that position after some time. In that case, if we want such kind of behavior where we want to have a barrier synchronization, that this is a barrier position, you can say, where we want those threads who reach there earlier, they will have to wait until all the threads in the block reaches this position. Okay, so you can understand in the book you have an example of mall, where in a mall 4 friends are going there in a car. So these all the 4 friends have 2 options. Either they can go sequentially all the 4 together in 4 different shops for their marketing, or they have option to make it parallelized, that all the 4 persons or friends to 4 different shops, take their buy their goods and come back. The thing is, the friend who comes first should not leave. The friend who comes first should wait for the other friends to come. That is kind of barrier synchronization. So here also, in our CUDA programming, if we need such kind of barrier synchronization, that all the threads of the block reach this milestone, and after that we should proceed further. This thread will proceed further. So we will have to use this __ sync threads function. Okay, so it is very simple. Whenever required, we can use this function sync thread to synchronize our kernel function. In the kernel function, a block of threads will be assigned to a multiple, and there for each thread, this is something called synchronization. You will understand why this synchronization will be required also when you will see how a block is divided into warps. We will see today only. So in between, if you will have any question, you can ask me. Just you can unmute your microphone and ask me the question. I may not be able to see the chat. Okay, so this is something called synchronization. Now, if you are not synchronizing, means if you are not explicitly synchronizing, in that case you can scale the block. There is something like if you have multiple devices means multiple streaming multiprocessor. So according to that, you can adjust, you can divide your blocks between them, knowing that there is nothing like we have to wait until these threads are complete. We will have to wait for the going further. No, there is not such constraint. You can divide the blocks edge. Means the device can obviously the device can divide. है ना?